At Crown & Blade, we do it all. Design, build, and install.
Hi, I'm Ben Hudson. I'm one of the co-founders of Crown & Blade. Our goal is to really give you a fully landscaped yard and not just a piece of turf surrounded by a border.
Hi, I'm Ben Piofka, and I'm the co-founder of Crown & Blade. All the owners are born and raised in Arizona. We have kids that live in this community, and we really care.
Hi, I'm Austin Unger. I'm one of the co-founders of Crown & Blade. I love taking care of and helping people create their dream landscape yards. I want somebody to go in their front yard, play catch with their son, go in the backyard, host parties.
We have the ability to get into not only your turf projects, putting greens, we also do a lot of hardscape work, do a lot of stuff with irrigation and plants as well. We do like to highlight everything with low-level lighting. Give them that beautiful luxury resort style look.
You can be at ease, and we're going to do the right things for the right reasons and make sure that you're happy at the very end.